What's going on YouTube? So I wanted to do a video on this 18-inch 41 pocket Husky tool bag I've been using for a year. I just got me a new bag, so I'm gonna empty this one out. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of what it could hold. This is one of my daily bags. I've probably got about 9 more in the car holding different tools, but when I go into anywhere, we do renovations, so this is the first bag I grab. This is a very well built bag, very well built. This has been thrown, covered in stuff. Nothing has broke. It's a heavy bag without the tools. I'm moving to a book bag to carry more stuff. The bag I got, I'll do a review on later, but it'll hold more than this. It also gives me ability to put it on my shoulders and be able to have 2 hands free to carry in a few more bags. So this bag holds quite a bit. Now it does get heavy. It does get heavy. So we'll start here in this main compartment. It's actually nice and tough. This is where I carry safety goggles. It'll hold 2 pairs. It has protected them so they don't get smashed or broke. It has a tape clip, and unlike many bags, I've got the Milwaukee Stud 25. It's a heavy tape measure, and as you can see, it's not pulled away. It's not loose or anything. That's not something you see on many bags. They actually, a lot of these break, will rip, pull off. So this thing's got many pockets. Some of them, once you start feeling it, they get hard. You can't really get down in there. Probably best to stick longer things in there. Pull this out there. Something like that. Wouldn't put small things and be reaching down in there with your fingers. This bag does hold a lot. It's got a lot of pockets. So there's one behind that. But once you start filling it in, some of the pockets do get quite hard to get into. So go ahead and go with the outside. As you see, we had the tape measure there. Safety glasses in there. Just a mag light flashlight. It takes double A's, not special. On this side, 2 chisels for when we're doing our doors. This little thing, it's a wire stripper bit holder, and it's got wire strippers, bit holders, and you can use this as a screwdriver. I don't use this much. I really bought this for the bit that was in here, and then I just threw it in here. Over this side, carry a couple carpenter's pencils, and for when we're marking on brick, a Milwaukee Sharpie. On the inside, over here. We keep our impact. This is DeWalt 887. Really good impact. It was one of the best when I bought it. Bathroom. So they've made some better ones. The new DeWalt that they got out is really nice. The new Milwaukee they got out, the Gen 4 I believe it is really nice. But this one right here, I have dropped it 3 floors and it's lasted. One of the lights is out. When it went through the floors, it literally went 3 floors down. While we was taking out floorboards, it fell and one of the lights stopped working. Our spattle bit set. Oops, sorry about that. Our drill bits and bit set for all the different screws and fasteners we run into. Our 11-in-1. Another flashlight. Batteries need replaced. A beater chisel. You know, don't want to mess up your good ones. So, beater chisel. Voltage tester. What else? So that's all for that side. That side was really for the, you see the amount of pockets. Now, if you're not putting your impact and stuff in there, I mean, this thing does hold quite a lot. Like I said, it's got 41 pockets. Over here on this side, our level 5 cut gloves. Goat skin. You deal with a lot of metal pipes and stuff. You don't want to get cut, tetanus or nothing like that. Trim bars. Use these for, you mainly use these for when we're redoing windows. Speedy square, as our friends at work call it, our speed triangle. Stud finder. Chalk line. Beater screwdriver. This is the best beater screwdriver I have ever owned. There are many out there. There are many like it, but this one is mine. And I chisel out concrete with this thing. We redo floors, hardwood flooring, replacing planks. I use it for that. This thing has been beat more than a trailer park wife. This thing is awesome. A 5-in-1. The Husky, this is the best 5-in-1 I've ever had. I've had many, and this one is amazing. I don't know what to say about it. This is an amazing 5-in-1. A couple small adjustables for when I'm doing toilets or a little bit of under sink work, hooking up the water lines. These smaller ones, really handy, tight spaces. Our east wing. This one is out. This one has been through some stuff. So another pry bar, little 12-inch. Paint scraper. over here in this little bigger nail set for when we're running into some bigger ones. Needs put in. Sometimes the framing nailer don't set them all the way. Bigger adjustable. Got the vice grips. And them are all the same. We got the east wing. See if it'll focus in on that. No. This is the east wing cat's paw. Gotta have that. My other pair took a dump on me, so I had to run the ace and get these in a pinch. They're not bad. They are what they are. They work. So they've lasted. I'll get me a new pair here soon. Small pair of Huskies, the adjustables. Not bad. I really like the Vice Grip brand of these. I had a pair, I lost them. This is the smaller 8-inch pair right here. We have small needle nose pliers. Let's see if we can get the name. I haven't looked at these. I don't know what these are. These come in handy. Got a pair of Dykes. Crescent. Bought these at Home Depot. They've lasted. Still really sharp. Cut. No problem. Ended up going and getting their linesman. These are heavy duty. Nice linesman pliers. Pair of Klein wire strippers. It's about time to get a new pair of these. I lent these to one of my co-workers. If you can see, they arced them. So, it's time for a new pair of them. And we got our cutters. So, this is the inside of it. It has been heavily used for about 1.5 years. Oop. Let's see. Some of these pockets get deep. There's a, I don't know if you can see it down there. There's one of our smaller screwdrivers. I'll have to get that out after the video.